Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate working hours in Microsoft Excel. So how to calculate working hours in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I have prepared a table to calculate working hours. Here there is start hour, end hour, duration hours and duration minutes. To calculate working hours. For example, here I enter start hour 7 a.m. and enter end hour 11 a.m. exactly. Now to find the duration hours. The method is tap on the duration hours. Type equals. Here enter the hour after. And subtract. Start hour. Tap enter. Now the result is 4 hours. And to find the duration minutes, tap cell on the duration minutes. Type equals. Enter the duration hours. And tap enter. Now here it is still in the form of hours. Change it to minutes. Go to the Format Cell menu above. Pull down tap Format Cells. Select Custom. And scroll down. Here change it to minute format. Now here add brackets like this to change the format. Tap OK. Now here you can see the number of minutes. And for the next line. For example, here I enter start time 7 a.m. and enter the end time 11 a.m. exactly. Now to find the duration of hours. The method is tap on the duration of hours. Type equals. Here enter the hour after. And minus. Start hour. Tap enter. Now the result is 5 hours. Now add the word hour behind it. Right click. Tap Format Cells. And scroll down. Here change it to hour format. Now here add brackets like this to change the format. Now after that type the colon above twice. And type hour. Tap OK. Now here it looks more specific. And to find the duration of minutes. Tap cell on the duration of minutes. Type equals. Enter the duration of hours. And tap enter. Now here it is still in the form of hours. Change it to minutes. Go to the Format Cell menu above. Drag down tap Format Cells. And scroll down. Here change it to minute format. Now here add double quotes twice. And type minutes. Tap OK. Now here you can see the number of minutes. And for the next please copy all down. Except the start time. To find out the results. Here I try to enter the start time. Now here you can see the changes. Next also enter the start time, here you can also see the results. So that's it. Tutorial how to calculate working hours in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.